Greetings, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I apologize for the lack in putting out videos and keeping up with the chats and stuff, but yeah, I've been going through some personal things in my life, and on top of it all, my mom passed away last week, which is kind of a sad thing for me. Um, my mom, she lives in New Zealand, and I live here in South Africa. So the only way we communicated for the last several years was via WhatsApp video and things like that. So it's kind of a hard knock and a loss for me. But yeah, the other thing personally I'm dealing with is I was born with Klinefelter syndrome and had it quite heavy. It affected me quite heavy in my early teens, puberty, and since then I have been on TRT, which is testosterone replacement therapy, for basically my entire life, right up until last year when uh, when I lost my job and couldn't afford to continue. I just made the decision and to give it up totally and not continue with it. Of course, that comes with a few changes uh, personally for me, physically for me, and so um, yeah, I've just decided I'm accepting it, and I'm just going to go with it. I have uh, I have told it to a couple people and my family that obviously needs to know, which I never did tell. Um, it was something my father and my father decided I should not tell anybody when it was diagnosed and I was put on TRT. It was kind of a secret. It was kept as a secret, which hindsight is one of my biggest regrets because yeah, I should have not even started TRT. I should have just accepted it, and however my life would have ended up. I mean, it's a genetic thing. It's nothing, it's nobody's fault. It's nothing you can blame anybody for. So that's where I am right now in life, and yeah, so things will change. If you follow along, you might notice, you might not, but it is what it is. Um, Regarding the channel, I'm going to obviously continue um, and get back into putting out videos. Uh, I will do my best for one a week, but if that doesn't happen, it'll definitely be fortnightly. Um, I still do my writings on Word and Sound on Substack, and of course the music channel still is still going, and I'm still putting up new music when I produce anything. Uh, I have uh, I have slowed on the English a little bit, and I'm going to be putting up maybe an album a month on the English because I've swung a bit to Zulu. The Zulu, I feel, is something I need to do, especially in our area, and share it with everybody in our area because the word of God needs to be out. And I mean, there are many faithful followers of Jesus within the communities, and so I just feel it necessary to put out, for them. And I must be honest, I mean, I have had fantastic response to it, so it's always a good thing, and it's always a blessing to get a comment or a like, or an extra subscriber when you put out a new album. So it's for me, it's a blessing. It's just it means a lot to me that that people are actually listening to, enjoying um what I'm doing, because I'm totally doing it in dedication to promote the word of God. Uh, that's the only reason I'm like really pushing and doing it. It's just to glorify my Lord. So that's that'll still continue. I will put links in the bottom, in the description of this channel, to the Word and Sound and the music channel. And I encourage you to go and look at it, share it, like it, subscribe. It's free, as is subscribing to this channel is free. Um, and just come along for the journey. I mean, life is good, life is great, and I think we need more sharing in this world. I'm sure I've said that several times in previous videos I've done. It's always, it's a form of encouragement for me when people interact. When you comment on something, I mean, put questions down. If you have a question, put a question down, and I mean, I get and I read all the comments I currently get, and I respond to them. So let's start a conversation. I mean, share your walk with Jesus. Share anything really. I mean, if that's one thing we still have in this country, still, with our constitution, and with the US with their constitution, we still have freedom of speech. So speak your mind, say your thing, and yeah, we'll carry on and sail on this journey together. You're more than welcome to join and follow along. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly put this out and share it, so that those that are subscribed, don't think I've abandoned the channel. It's been a rough month or so, and so yeah, we're back on track and moving along. So like, share, subscribe to this channel, to the music channel, the Word and Sound Substack as well, is free to subscribe and follow along the writings and have a look and go through what I've got up there already. I encourage you all, and have a fantastic day and weekend coming up ahead. And love and miss you guys, but I'm back. God bless.